Okay, this lesson is looking at adding and subtracting radicals. And the biggest thing is, remember, when we talked about a radical, the guy that's inside there is called the radicand. If we're going to subtract and add radicals, we have to do it only when the radicands are the same. So meaning the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 can't be simplified. But just like x plus x is 2x, well, the square root of 3 plus the square root of 3 is 2 square root of 3. The biggest difference here is that instead of multiplying, we're talking about adding. Quite similarly, 3 square root of 6 plus 7 square root of 6 is simply 10 square root of 6. So we just bring the radical along for the ride just like it was a variable and add the coefficients. 8 square root of 5 plus 7 square root of 5 minus 6 square root of 5. 8 and 7 is 15, minus 6 is 9, so 9 square root 5. And then sometimes the more complicated piece of this is you will see a problem where they can't be combined in their present form. But going back and using some of the tools we learned in simplifying radicals, perhaps we can get them to where they are, in fact, going to be the same. So, for example, in this problem, 2 is prime. 8, on the other hand, can simplify to 2, and there's a 2 inside. So now I have this problem, but now that the radicands are the same, they can be combined to make 5 square root of 2. So this is combining simplification of radicals along with what we just learned, which is subtraction. So I got 2 more examples of that I'd like to show you. So let's try 2 square root of 75 minus 8 square root 3. 3 is prime. But 75, on the other hand, can be 3 times 25 or 5 times 5, so a pair of 5s coming out. Now the 5's coming out, there's a 2 already there waiting for it, so that 2 times 5 is going to make that 10. And then we got a 3 left over. Bring down the other piece, and now you should be able to see we can make that 2 root 3. Final example, I'm going to use 3 terms. Eleven's prime, so we know that can't be simplified. 44, on the other hand, is 4 times 11, which is 2 times 2, so that means there's a 2 coming out and an 11 staying in. The 2 coming out is going to meet that negative 8, making it negative 16. And 99 is also 11 times 9, which is 3 times 3. So a 3 is coming out. There's a 2 there to meet it, so that becomes 6. Now all the radicands are together. We got 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 16 is negative 5 square root 11. And that's how you do it.